Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel, and this reading is completely core relationship based reading. So we are going to read the vibrations which I'm getting for your partner. What are they thinking about you? How do they really perceive about this relationship? What do they really think about this relationship? What do you really think about this relationship? And what is going to be the outcome in this month for your relationships? Also, you can reach me for your personalized readings on my WhatsApp number 8448901791. The code for this number is of India code, which is 91. So add 91 before the number. Email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead and read the vibrations for you in this month and see what exactly is happening for you in this month, Leo. Before I go ahead, since I've just flipped the cards for you, I would like to seek some clarifications also. Pull the clarification cards right now only, and then we will move ahead. Okay. So, Leo, life is going to be about learnings for you in this month. What kind of learnings? When I say learnings, what will be the learnings about? What is gone, that cannot come back. What you have in hand, that something is your today, and that whatever you do about your today, that will become your tomorrow, your future. And that's what you have learned. So what is gone. You are not thinking about, and you don't want to think about your past right now. And this is what your card says it's all about. The star is there. There's a lot of enthusiasm you have in your. Let me just give you a quick closer look of this card. Hope you're able to see it. Okay, so what is gone. That cannot come back. What is in your hands is something you need to work upon that. And there's a closure happening. So this month is all about closure. There's a closure happening in your life in this month. So old chapters, past relationships, past related issues which were there in your life, which you were thinking about for a very long time now, I think the time has come that you yourself will put an end to that thinking. You yourself is going beyond your past and touching upon, and you want to touch upon your future now, and that's a very beautiful energy, very strong energy. Leos are anyways considered to be a very strong personality. You can relate it with Kangana Ranaut, who's I think is a Leo, and this lady is like very strong when it comes to communications. When they are angry, they pass on comments and judgments which later on impacts them in a very drastic manner, but there's a closure happening anyways for everyone in this month. September is getting you closure. Along with closures, I would say September is going to get you results of what? Results of your own deeds. So you've heard this word karma, right? So the karma thing is happening in September. Whatever you have given to people, the kind of affection you've given to people, the kind of hatred maybe you've given to people, time has come to get you paid, and you're getting paid accordingly as per your needs, as per your deeds. Your partner is going to give you what you have given to them. So if it is a betrayal, you will get that. If you have, it is not a betrayal, it is love, kindness, and then loyalty, you will get it in return. So there are closures happening. There's a by end of the year, you always get a settlement in your books, the financial book. That kind of a financial closure is happening in September for you. So that kind of a relationship based closure happening in your life. You will be a part of with your partner. Maybe if you're about to get engaged, or you want to get engaged, I think now the time has come that you will get into an engagement, you will get into a marriage kind of a thing, or along with your partner you will be a part of some religious gathering or something like a marriage, be part of a marriage. You will go to attend a marriage where you both go together. Also, whatever hard work you have, I told you it is about karma. So whatever hard work you had put in till now, you will get a chance to celebrate that, the good things what you have done. So maybe whatever hard work you have put across these years on your relationship, you're going to get the results of it, and as a result you will get married or you will get engaged. So a lot of Leo who are in a relationship, long term relationship, you can expect a closure in your relationships in a way that you're getting engaged or maybe you're getting married. So very positive card for Leo. Now as you want to have some peace, and since you worked very hard towards this relationship, you want to have a good relationship, now you're getting married, getting engaged, the expectation what you have is of peace. You want to have peace now that you've fought enough with people to get here where you are, but then now what you want is peace. But then I see some communication related struggles happening, like some immature conversations are taking place. Page of Swords come here, it's a very immature energy, but that's what I relate to. And I see that some relationship, something with regards to your communication can happen which can bring problem in your life, but it is not a very it is not going to be a very big kind of a problem, very big problem. No, it is not happening that way. In fact, it is going to be a very short term kind of a thing. So be careful if you are writing a text message to your partner saying I am sorry, I love you, or maybe I don't want to talk to you. That can be misunderstood. So better you speak to the person rather than writing something. So written communications problem can occur in written documents. So if you're signing any documents that relates regarding your marriage or maybe your whatever contracts you're having, people do get into contractual relationships also, contractual marriage also. So be careful, don't sign any document just like that, because it can bring problems in your life. Also I see some reunion happening in your life. So few of you who are not in a relationship or they were in a short term relationship, they have just had a breakup, you will meet one of your ex partners. So you will reunite with one of your ex partners, and there you are you're enjoying this time with them, or that relationship will go ahead into a fully fledged relationship which goes to a marriage kind of institution also. So you will get into a marriage thing also with these people. Your breakup will happen due to a communication gap with your partner, with your current partner. Okay. Also for few of you who are planning to get married in the month of September, I see a last minute breakup. So this breakup is going to be in a way that you both would not want to look at each other and then don't want to talk to each other. So you have your points, she has or he has her points, his points, and you both don't want to listen to the other's perspective, and this is why you're fighting like cats and dogs, and then you're not going to reach to a conclusion, and this is why you're going to breaking off your relationship. The breakup will happen and is happening because of the miscommunication and then misunderstanding between you guys. I already told you, when it comes to communicating with people, be careful, because this month can bring some issues with regards to communication with your partner. So be careful what you talk to, and what the partner, if your partner is a Leo, be careful what you talk to the person. So both perspective, this reading applies in both the scenarios. Okay. You need to have a lot of patience, maintain a lot of patience in life, because life is not going to be that easy for you, for few of you rather. Patience is the key to reach your final destination and destiny. Also whatever happens in this month, breaking up, making new relationships, getting into new relationships, you're getting along with an ex-partner, whatever is happening in the cards right now, there are multiple things which are happening with you, guys. Betrayals are happening, so last minute betrayal is also there in the cards. So the minute your relationship reaches at a marriage stage, you get a betrayal, and then there are disputes happening after that, that is also happening, but the end result is satisfactory. So whatever it is, whatever happening, the end result will be good. the ending of it is good. Why is it good? It is going to give you a huge learning in life. You will learn very beautiful things. You will become a mature person altogether. So if you think that you were missing maturity in your life, I would say that you will become a mature person, Leo, and it is a beautiful energy. You're earning something, you are learning something, you are becoming a better person altogether. So good luck to you. Keep connected, with Blossom Life Tarot. Subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed already, and share this video with your friends and family if they belong to the same sun sign. Be with us. Take care. God bless you, and I love you all a lot. Thank you so much for your support towards my channel, and we will keep on doing these readings for you. And that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.